You want to hold it?
I know.
See what comes out.
Will she do something with me with her tail?
No.
Like she. Oh, he is soft. He is really soft. Finally made it to the show me Reptiles and Exotics. Hopefully they have space for us.
This is for readmission. That right there.
Oh, thank you. Woohoo. Oh, they got some t-shirts and stuff.
$20 for a t-shirt. We also have a 20-inch takeover, which is what's going on right now.
Oh, wow. Okay. Is this only in the Midwest? I see it says Midwest.
So there is a Midwest Venom Fest. There's also a East Coast Venom Fest.
Okay.
In Greenville, South Carolina.
Wow. I have to check that out. Okay, thank you.
Just enjoy the show. Thank you.
What's that, food?
Yep.
For the animals?
Yeah.
Oh, we can feed them?
What? No. That's the way if you buy something, you want to be able to feed it when you get home.
Oh, you can buy stuff like animals here. Oh.
Yeah. That's what this is. Yeah. That's what we buy.
Oh, well, we gotta see what we're gonna get.
You be going home with something, ain't you now?
Oh.
No.
Oh my goodness, look, babe, rats to feed the thing.
Oh, you know what Mama says you are. You're bringing something home.
Wow.
Like to look at stuff. I don't know if you can actually purchase.
Wow. Oh, I wouldn't turn no flash on. These things jump out at me. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. I feel so dumbfounded because I was thinking I was coming to look. I didn't know I could buy something.
Yeah.
Look at that one. Be careful. Step back. Oh my gosh.
All right, y'all. She about to hold a snake. She's scared.
Okay, just like this. Now I'll hold her hand and get ready to do it just in case.
Look at her face.
Can I feel it?
Y'all,
So
look
they
at her
don't
face.
bite you and kill you?
Oh, he's a good boy.
Okay.
See, feel the bottom of them. They're not
bottom?
slimy yet. The bottom of them. See, they're not slimy at all.
They swallow people though?
They don't. No, if it was an anaconda, maybe, but not no damn ball python.
Okay, wow. Okay, whoa, okay. I don't know what I thought this was.
Fair share of them living in Australia. For
That's a
minute.
gecko, y'all. Oh my gosh. You not scared?
Nah. I said, like, I've seen some crazy stuff in my life.
He look like he ready to pounce at any second.
Love the jump.
Oh, let me feel it. Oh, he is soft.
Like velvet.
He is really soft.
These guys are really cool too. No special lighting or heating. The main diet is just a powder that you mix with water.
Oh,
They do
wow.
bugs on the weekends, but if you don't like bugs, you can get the powder with the bugs already mixed into it.
Wow.
Dick Wilson out. Hey now.
Wow. Look at that orange one. Oh my god. So they're like roly-polies. These are called isopods.
Look at the little bitty gecko.
And that's a gecko. I used to play with roly-polies as kids, so this is interesting.
60 octane or something. The real one. I won't even touch one, so.
Those are the corn snakes, and this is the California king.
No, these are California kings.
Those are California kings.
That says cow king.
I think I really like this one. So when I come back, I may
Like this one?
I really like that one.
The milk snake.
I don't know if I want to hold
The
it.
Nelson's milk snake. These are quick.
You said that's what kind?
This is a Nelson's milk snake.
Oh, I thought you said a rattlesnake.
No, there's no venomous snakes here.
What is this one? This thing right here.
This is a giant plated lizard. These come from the Sudan in Africa.
Oh, is he gonna jump? Babe, you come and be the experiment. Babe, can't hold it.
He's a very nice little boy. Put your hand up. Put one hand. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Don't put him near me on my face.
He's a nice little boy.
I want to touch him. Can I touch him?
Oh yeah. He's real like
I want to come from the back.
the snakes.
Wow. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. Kind of rough a little bit. Hissing roaches. So I guess this is for them to eat. Bruh, look at these roaches. I will keep her head. I appreciate you. Hold the body. Oh, she kind of.
It's okay. She just checking you out. It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God. She kind of. She
chunky.
got some weight on her. Look at her tail move like she. Will she do something with me with her tail?
No.
Like she trying to. It's so soft. She's curious, like what is going on? Thank you. Touch her, boo. Well, it was the first time.
When I was in Australia the first time, and then I think I did it the second time I went too.
I don't know. Look at Leroy. Okay. You ready to give him back?
Where I was at.
Yeah.
I mean, she has a
You wanna
female,
hold?
so
Nope.
we didn't want to see what comes out.
How you feel? You nervous? Is he heavy?
It's hell.
I've been carrying him all day.
You gonna give him back? Thank you so much. That's the biggest one I think we've seen today.
He's about 6.5.
He's taller than me.
Yeah, he's about 6.5.
Oh, sorry.
It's totally okay. I'm about to hand him over.
Yeah, we're more like a
Our biggest rat is this big. Which we didn't.
Shannon, take your take your other hand and put it underneath.
Oh, she's coming back to
Or you can do that too.
Okay.